So, second year, this is a video recording of our experiment 1 for your biochemistry for medical laboratory science. So, basically, I will be discussing the procedure on how to do your experiment 1. It is entitled the Bouncy Egg. So, for this experiment, you will work on this individually kasi ang mga materials naman na gagamitin natin dito is just can be easily found at your home. So, no need to look for a partner. You have to do this individually on your own, and you have to answer the questions for research afterwards. So these will be, these are the materials needed for the experimentation. You will be needing 1 egg. So, isang egg lang, sapat na. Pero if ever, mas maganda na mag-alat tayo ng at least 2 to 3 eggs. Baka kasi may mangyaring mabasag or in case na sumabog or matabig, kung ano man, mas maganda na meron tayong allowance. Okay, lagi tayong Girl Scout, laging ready ang mga medtech. So, wag tayong bili ng sapat lang. Pero kung isa lang po ang kaya, isa lang ang nakita na itlog sa may ref, ang nabili sa tindahan, wala namang problema. Just make sure na pakiingatan lang maigi para ma-avoid natin ng mga disturbances later on. Kasi may timetable tayo dito for this experiment. Pagka na-interrupt yung isang day, meron kang, let's say, gumawa ka Wednesday, kasi 3 days mo siyang i-observe, tapos inabutan ka ng deadline, okay? So, magiging kalahati na lang yung score mo. Like what we've talked about in our orientation. So, ang pag late mo siya napasa kasi natabig ng pusa, nabasag, or whatsoever, it will be equivalent to 50% na lang. So, kung 50 items tong ating experimentation, 25 na lang ang highest score mo. Okay? So, going back to the materials that we will be needing, you will be needing at least 1 egg. So, kung kaya namang 2 to 3 eggs, no problem. You have to buy or provide vinegar. Madami po tayo sa bahay niyan or bumili sa tindahan. Ma'am, ilan po yung amount or ilang ml ang vinegar na kailangan? So, i-discuss natin yan later on. And then, jar. You will be needing a jar. Yung may takip sana. And then, wide mouth as much as possible. Kung wala po tayong jar na may wide mouth, pwede naman po yung mga bowl natin sa bahay. Just make sure na medyo malalim siya. And then, pwede nating takpan. Mag-improvise na lang kayo ng takip para hindi malaglagan ng kung ano man, matabig ng pusa, magalaw ng kapatid. Okay? Itong part na to, pwede kayo mag-improvise. Pwede po siyang plastic, pwede ding glass. Hindi naman makaka-apekto sa resulta natin yun. Just make sure na meron kayong closed container or even open, basta may lid. And then malalim siya. Hindi mababaw yung pinakalagayan. Pwedeng kaldero or what. Kahit ano, bahala po kayo. As medtech, na-mention na natin yan sa ating PMLS1 na dapat resourceful tayo. Okay? Because this will be the procedure of your experimentation. Like what we've talked about in our orientation, this simple laboratory experiment at home, hindi ito simpleng lang, parang echos lang, hindi ito laro lang. This procedure or this experimentation mimics the laboratory procedure in your hospital or in the laboratory proper. It's just that nag-i-improvise lang talaga tayo ng mga materials. Again, same principle lang sila. Ito, gumamit ka lang ng mga easily accessible na materials. I highly recommend na gawin nyo to at huwag kumuha ng mga pictures sa Google, sa YouTube, or kumope sa kaklase. Kasi po, maraming mga psychomotor learners sa atin. Katulad nga nung nabanggit ni Ma'am Trina, isa ako doon na hindi ko matututunan yung isang bagay hanggat hindi ko siya ginagawa, hanggat hindi ko siya ina-apply. Okay? Kung theoretical lang tinuro mo sa akin mag-venipuncture, oo, magigets ko siya, pero hindi mare-retain yung information sa isip ko. Mas maganda na nagawa ko siya, tapos naranasan ko magkamali dun sa procedure na yun. Tsaka ako siya matatandaan, tsaka ako siya masasabi na, hindi ko na to gagawin sa next time. Okay, so I highly encourage everyone to do the procedure, to do the experimentation on your own. Pwede naman mag-usap-usap yung mga magkakaklase. Sabay-sabay natin gawin to, ganyan. Pwede kayo mag-Google Meet or whatsoever. Discard nyo na yan. Ang importante, i-apply nyo to on your own. Gawin nyo to kasi individual work to. And hindi naman to para sa akin. Hindi lang to para makapagpasa kayo. It makakatulong to kapag kabalik nyo sa laboratory. Pagka nag-face-to-face class na tayo. Okay? Going back, get a raw egg. And carefully place it into a glass or jar. Pwede naman pong plastic. Make sure na wide mouth. Bakit po ine-emphasize parati ni ma'am yung wide mouth? Kasi may mga na-experience na po yung iba nating students na nakapaggawa na nitong procedure na to, ng experimentation na to, na makipot yung bibig. Oo, kasya yung itlog nung pag nilagay. Pero nung tinatry ng alisin yung egg after niyang isoak, nung kukunin na yung pinaka-resulta, na-try na pong sumabog. So, hindi pa po pwede yun. Kasi every step of the procedure, pipicturean natin siya. So, hindi mo siya madadaya. Kasi dun pa lang sa glass, sumabog na. Pagtanggal mo pa lang dun sa jar. So, make sure, I cannot stress this enough, na dapat wide mouth po. Pwede naman po yung bowl. Basta make sure lang na deep enough para ma-soak. Ito po yun, yung step number 2. Fill the container with white vinegar until the egg is completely submerged. Take note, it must be fully submerged. Hindi pwede yung kalahati lang. Hindi mo makikita yung optimal result. Dapat buo po. Leave the egg in the glass or in the jar or whatsoever for 1 to 3 days. But the ideal is 3 days po dapat. Each day, check back on the egg. When the egg has started to become translucent, you will know it is ready. Dapat ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Translucent po. So, bakit po natin ini-encourage na dapat may lid kung if ever na bowl? Kasi baka matabig or magalaw ng kamag-anak or ng mga alaga natin, ng mga pets natin. So, mas maganda talaga na takip po siya if ever na bowl yung gagamitin nyo. So, dapat ilagay niyo siya sa isang safe na place, yung hindi masyado napupuntahan ng mga tao sa bahay niyo. Or, lagyan mo ng note. Sabihin mo na, this is for the experimentation, wag niyo muna pong galawin. Okay? Number 4, remove the egg from the glass. So, ito na nga po yun. Dapat wide mouth. Remove the egg from the glass and rinse it under some tap water. So, dapat careful lang. While rinsing the egg, gently rub the outside of the egg and the white film will come off, leaving you with a translucent egg. So, dapat dahan-dahan lang kasi may mga instances din na sumabog yung egg nung paghuhugas, nung hindi gentle yung pag-rub ng egg. Okay? Number 5, examine the egg. You'll notice that it feels rubbery, like a bouncy ball. Then lift the egg 1 to 2 inches in the air, let go, and watch it bounce. 1 to 2 inches lang ha, wag super taas. Baka naman mabasag. Okay, kasi nga po ang title ng ating experimentation is Bouncy Egg. Helpful tip, be sure to do the bouncing egg on a plate or the container just in case, para hindi masyado makalat. Pwede naman sa table, bahala na kayo doon. And then when you are ready for some messy fun, lift the egg a little higher in the air and let it go. And then splat. Magsa-splat po siya sa harapan ninyo. And then you have to take a photo of every step of the procedure, then clean your workplace. Okay, mahalaga na linisin natin yung workplace natin. Baka magalit ang ating parents kapag pinabayaan natin. And lastly, answer the questions in your worksheet. So, simple procedure lang naman siya, but it mimics the principle of our laboratory experimentation talaga. Important reminders lang po during the experimentation. Be careful in handling the egg. It is fragile. It might crush even before you finish your experimentation. Be sure to provide it to place it in a safe place, and then use a wide mouth container. It doesn't matter if it's a glass or plastic container as long as it's wide mouth. So, enjoy the experiment, and we will rationalize this experiment. Each class should prepare 3 to 4 reporters to present their output. So, ako na lang po mag-a-assign kung sinong magre-report per class. And then, meron kayong naka-attach na worksheets on your Google Classroom together with this video. Paki-sagutan po yung worksheet, and then paki-attach yung mga photos na ginawa ninyo for the experiment. Okay, thank you and God bless. If ever may mga clarifications pa, you can send me an email or you can chat me sa Messenger. Thank you.